Hello students, how are you? So we have seen in the last video that how to find the addition and multiplication of this type of puzzle questions, right? We have seen all these things. Okay, so how to find the value of these digits A and B or anything. So here today we'll see the exercise 16.1. So find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons of the steps involved. So you have to find the value of these digits whatever given here, and you have to explain the reason also how you have done. You have to write the steps. Okay, let's start. So first number 3a plus 2 5. So it is coming what? A plus 5 it is coming 2, and 3 plus 2 it is coming B. So what you will put in A so that when you add A plus 5 the ones place will come 2 here. Okay, so let's see. So you can see here the question number 1 I have written very clearly, so you have to understand very carefully. Okay, otherwise you cannot understand. So concentrate here. The addition of A and 5. Okay, addition of A and 5 is giving 2. Okay, it is giving 2. So that means a number whose ones digit is 2. So here will be a number whose ones place will be 2. So this is possible only when A is 7. That means when the value of A, if we put 7, then 7 plus 5 it is coming what? 12. So here 12. So ones place is coming 2. Understanding or not? So this is possible only when if we put A as 7. So then only we will get the ones place as 2. So in that case the addition of A, that means addition of A and 5, that means 7 plus 5 will give 12, and thus 1 will be the carry for the next step. So here 12 we got, so 1 will be the carry here. So I have written here, see, so 7 plus 5 12 and 1 is carry now, carry in the next step. So now add it, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6. That means we are getting the value of B as 6. So B is 6 now. So understanding how to solve. So at last hence A equal to 7 and B equal to 6. Understood students? So in this way you have to write all the steps, all the reason, how it is solving, how you are finding the value. Understood? So it's very easy first question. Now next question number 2. So here question number 2 is A plus 8 is 3 and 4 plus 9 is B. Again same type of question like one number. Let's see. So this question number 2, A plus 8 is coming 3 and 4 plus 9 is coming CB. Okay, now here 3 letters are there. You have to find the values of 3 letters. So what I have written, see, the addition of A and 8. So when you add A and 8, it is giving 3. So that means a number whose ones digit is 3. Okay, here you will get a number whose ones place will be 3. So this is possible only when we add what? When we take the digit A is 5. So if we take A as 5, then what will happen? 5 plus 8, 13, right? So here 3 is coming in ones place. So in that case, the addition of A and B will give 13. Okay, like this. 5 plus 8, 13 will give. So 3 here and 1 will be the carry for the next step. So 1 is the carry here. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. So we are getting here 14. That means the value of B is what now? B is 4 and value of C is what? 1. So is 1. So A equal to 5, B equal to 4, C equal to 1. Understood? So I hope you are understanding, right? Next question number 3. So it is multiplication. A into A, and A into 1, 9 coming. So what will the value of A here? Let's see. So this question number 3, 1A into A is 9A. So the multiplication of A with A. So here multiplying, we are multiplying, okay, A into A. So here the multiplication of A, when you are multiplying, it is giving ones place as A again. See, same. So when you the multiplication of A with A itself gives a number whose ones digit is A. Okay, here whose ones digit is A. Same number should come again. So this happens only when, so this is possible only when A equal to 1, 5 or 6. So there are 3 cases. So in multiplication you will get many cases. So here are 3 cases. When you multiply with itself, you have to multiply the same number A into A. So again same answer also come. So there are 3 cases, 1, 5 or 6. You have to put one by one. Suppose if we put a equal to 1. So 1 1 ja 1. Same coming. See, if a equal to 1, then the multiplication will be what? 11 into 1. Okay. See here. Here 1 will come. So 11 into 1 will be 11 only. No problem then. But here we are getting a equal to 1. But here 9 is there. But here we are getting 1 again in the tens place. Here the tens place is 9, but here the tens place is 1. So it is not possible now. See here I have written. However, here the tens digit is given as 9. Therefore, a equal to 1 is not possible. So it is cancelled. Understood now? Now if we take 5. Similarly, if a equal to 5 if you take, then the multiplication will be what? 15 into 5, because if we put here 5 and 5. So 15 into 5. 15 into 5 will be what? 75. See, 5 we are getting in the ones place, no doubt. Okay, we are getting the same digit 5 here. Okay, but here the tens place is 9, but here we are getting tens place is 7. So this is also not possible. So equal to 5 is also not possible. Now the last case is about 6. Now we take the 6. So if we put here 6, so it will be what? 16 and here 6. So 16 into 6 is coming what? 96. See, if you take now this a equal to 6, then 16 into 6 is 96 coming. So 6 we got in ones place, that means the same number we got in the ones place, and in tens place also we got the same number 9 here. See, 96, here 9 is there in the tens place, and here also we are getting the 9. So 16 into 6, 96. Same number is coming or not? Here a value is same, 666. So that is why a equal to 6. So this assumption is correct. So this is the solution of this question. See, very interesting question, right? So next page, question number 4 and 5. So you do by your own. Okay, I will solve question number 6. AB into 5, it is coming CAB. So let's see it. So this AB into 5, that means 5 into B, again B should come. After multiplying 5 into B, B should come. Again 5 into A, will the answer should be CA. So what we do, the multiplication of 5 B and 5 is giving a number whose ones digit is B. So here ones digit should be B again. So this is possible only when if you take B equal to 5 or B equal to 0. That means here also you have to take two cases. Okay, B equal to 5 or B equal to 0. So if you take B equal to 5, suppose B equal to 5 if you take, then 5 is coming here or not? Yes, coming, because 5, see, 5 5 is 25. Okay, here 5 into 5 is 25. Here ones place 5 is coming. 25, 5 is coming here. Here 2 will be carry for the next step. See, this 2 will go in the next step. See, I have written here. So 5 into 5 is 25. 2 is gone to the next step. Next, what will happen? So if we put A equal to 2 now, okay, B we have got 5. If we put A equal to 2, then what is happening? So 5 into A. So 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, this one 5 into 2, because we have taken A equal to 2. 5 into 2 is 10, and carry was there 2 again. So 10 plus 2 will be what? 12. See, so you have to remember the carry also. If you take A equal to 2, then 5 into 2 is 10. Then again carry is there, 10 plus 2 will be 12. Understanding? So here the 12 is coming. So we are getting again 2 in the ones place. Here also we should get 2. Remember this. Here A is there, or here also A is there. That means if you have taken here 2, here also A 2 should come. Okay. So when we are taking 2 here, here also 2 is coming, because we are getting the answer 12. So in 12, ones place is 2. We got it. So 2 in the ones place, that means A equal to 2. And here in the tens place is what? 1. That means C value will be 1. C equal to 1. So because 1 is in the place of 12, tens place of the 12. So in this way we got A equal to 2, B equal to 5, C equal to 1. So our assumption B equal to 5 is correct. So no need to take this B equal to 0, because we got all by this 5 only. Okay. So this is the solution of this question. So it's very something tough, right? So practice it properly. Now question number 7 and 8 all are same. Okay, so you do by yourself. I will take this 9 number. So there are 3 digits. 2AB plus AB1 is B18. So let's do this. So here 9 number. Here you can see B plus 1. What you put here in the place of B, that means it will be 8 in the ones place. So addition of B and 1 is giving 8. That means a number whose ones digit is 8. Okay, so what will you put here so that the ones digit will be 8 here? So this is possible only when digit b is 7. So if you put here 7, 7 plus 1 will be 8. So it's very easy. So in that case, the addition of 7 plus 1 is 8. So we got the value of b is 7. Very nice. So here also we can put the value of b 7. Okay. So let's go next. So in the next step, a plus b equal to 1. Okay. A plus b is what? Equal to 1 giving c. Here b's value we have given 7 and a value will be what now? Because here 1's place is 1. So here a should be 4. Then only 4 plus 7 will be 11. Then only we'll get 1 in the 1's place here. Because 7 we already got b value. So what will we put here in the place of a? We'll put here 4. Then only 4 plus 7, when we add 4 plus 7, then we'll get 11. That means the 1's place we'll get here. So here getting 1's place as 1. Okay. Now this another 1 will go carry next digit. So and carry will go next digit. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. 3 plus 4 7. So value of c will be 7. So our question was what? We have to find the c also here. So this is the c. Okay. So sorry, this is a b. So b value we got all 7 7 7. Okay. So a equal to 4 and b equal to 7. So in this way we can solve this question. So I have solved many questions here and I have given some homework. So you do these homeworks by your own. Okay. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. So it's very interesting exercise, different and interesting, right? So try to understand and practice properly. Thank you.